We're going to take a deep dive into the AutoFinX application, your complete tool for auto finance management. Let's start by logging in with a username and password to access the secure dashboard. Once we're in, you'll land right on the home screen. Here, you can see every active loan currently running in your profile. Notice how each loan tile offers 4 distinct options for quick management. Let's demonstrate a payment using this Chevrolet. By clicking Pay, the app instantly pulls up the critical details: your payment type, the exact amount due, any late fees, and your total outstanding balance. From here, you can choose to pay just the current due amount or settle the complete balance at once. Moving down, notice the payment account selection. You have total flexibility here. You can toggle between a linked bank account, a Visa card, or any other credit or debit card on file. Once you click Review Payment, the app gives you one last look at the breakdown. Hit Confirm and Pay, and just like that, the transaction is complete. In the Contract Details page, we can see the financial overview, payment status, loan summary, vehicle information, contract timeline, and other associated details. Now let's head over to the Explorer page. This is where the app gets proactive. You can see engagement triggers like mileage update, reminders, or notifications for loans nearing payoff. If you select a specific model from the list, watch how the recommendations shift to show personalized offers tailored specifically to that vehicle. Next, let's look at the settings panel. This is your command center for basic information, including your full name, email, and mailing address. For security, you can easily toggle 2-factor authentication or enable biometric login for faster access. You can also manage your password and notification preferences right from this screen. If you ever run into a question, the menu houses a powerful AI-enabled support chat. You can start a live conversation immediately or browse the FAQ section for quick answers regarding AutoPay and renewals. If you need to submit a specific request, like a financial hardship application or a contact detail update, you can do that directly through the feedback category. For record keeping, check out the Documents panel. Simply select a loan, and the app instantly populates all associated files, from tax statements and monthly settlements to a digital copy of your original agreement. Finally, let's look at the AutoPay features. Using the drop-down, you can select a model to check your current status. From here, you can update your schedule, cancel an existing plan, or change your payment frequency. Whether you want to pay the exact amount due or set a fixed recurring deposit, the app gives you full control over the schedule. AutoFinX, a smart digital auto financing experience.